Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Mike Dave Yup, and this is my little sister, Sophia Yup. Also subscribe to our channel, Kitty Pun. Tung, tung, tung. So we are going to react something that I really want to react. A couple of weeks ago, I actually watched it, but I started to forget, and I want to react it again because it's so fun. It's something that most of us can relate, or some of us can relate to this video, especially when you're eating spicy foods, and when it's too spicy, you start to not think clearly. Yeah, when you're doing something, I don't know, this is very funny. This is a video from Bitwit, Kyle, and his wife, Wifey Sauce, I don't know what's her true name. We will be reacting to that because it's going to be very funny. So let's start the PC building while eating something very, very spicy. So this is a nice challenge. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below any of your thoughts in your mind, and click the notification bell beside the subscribe button and set it to all so that you'll get the latest updates from my channel. So let's start watching this video.
Despite our better judgment, Wifey Sauce and I thought it would be a great idea to do a PC build challenge inspired by the very popular First We Feast series, Hot Ones. So basically the way it's going to work is that with every component we install, we're going to have to eat a wing, and each wing will be spicier than the last until... By the way, so the first component to install is the CPU, so that means we should eat some wings.
Hot sauce.
I'm not nervous for the first one. Cheers!
Cheers. This is the fun, easygoing part. The sauce just tastes good.
I could eat this. Alright.
Let's install CPU. Alright, I'm going to have Wifey Sauce do the installation here. Right now we're working with an MSI Mag B550 Tomahawk, and what's wrong with the CPU? Don't tell me there's a broken pin. That's a 3900X.
Ooh!
What about that?
3900X.
Right, it looks like there's a mark on there.
I don't know what that is, but it looks like the pins are fine. So just, if it boots, we're in the clear. Alright, there goes 12 cores. We're going to have a bunch of hot sauce and all these components when we're done.
Alright, one thing down.
Okay.
What's the next step?
Next is memory. So, more wings.
Okay. Alright, I chose it because the first one wasn't bad.
Ladies first.
Oh.
Wow.
One more heat.
That one's a slow burner.
It creeps up a little bit,
A
right?
little bit.
It's still manageable though. Okay, what's the slowest I can install memory? Because I'm dreading the next set of wings.
Click. Click.
That was way too quick.
Wowie.
Woo! I feel the burn already.
I do too, actually, yeah. I
Like
feel
her
it.
No, okay.
nose is
My
starting
lips
to
are on
red.
fire.
Yeah, and her nose is starting to red. Even
Sorry,
Kyle.
be quiet. We're not going to finish.
You have a high tolerance. You
I
can
know. Actually, I think I
handle
have a
this.
higher tolerance than you, but I think I'm just nervous.
Whoa, a higher tolerance than me. Those are some fighting words.
Yeah.
We'll see about that. So, you gotta unscrew that guy first.
Oh,
okay.
The cooler that we're
even
using is Be Quiet
wing number
Start
3.
4. It's got 2 fans.
Ooh, what was that?
Thermal
I mounted it
paste.
Why, you read the manual, kids.
Level
50.
the CPU and the
Yeah, it's like
cooler, because in microscopic level the metals are not really that flat. There are some bridges, so
That's spot on. There we go.
thermal paste really helps.
Just wasn't as good.
Poop.
Sucks. Cooler.
What do you like about it?
It performs like a champ, and it's just attractive. Brushed aluminum on the front,
Yeah, it is nice.
black pin stacks. It's just a nice cool.
Are you ready for another wing?
No, let's do it.
All right.
Number 3.
Wing,
Oh,
wing.
no.
Ah!
Oh, this one's bringing the flavor. It just has like a hot flavor. Like it tastes hot.
Vinegar, hot. I'm going to take one bite of that.
I took 2. Miss, I have a higher tolerance than you.
You know what?
That's what I thought. Oh wow,
Eat more.
it's hot.
I'm trying to ignore it right now. All right, let's get this over with.
SSD. We have a Western Digital WDSN 550,
Wifey sauce.
NVMe M.2 drive, PCIe Gen 3, Seems a little bit wasted on B550 since it does support PCI Gen 4, but it's just for the video. Is that thermal pad
She's
work
losing
on
it.
phones?
Yeah.
Don't.
Ew!
Oh, that's hot. Woo, that's really hot.
I'm huffing and puffing.
Am I putting this on right?
No, that goes in the slot first.
Oh yeah, forgot how to do this. Oh! Wait, how does this go?
I don't know. I'm not gonna
He's
help you.
really
Let me know
losing
what
it,
you
no.
think.
Tell me how to do it, or I'm leaving.
What's wrong? Are you having a hard time? Is it too hot for you?
Nope. Is that right?
Yeah, it looks fine to me. Now we are installing the motherboard assembly into the case.
Ooh, bad dog.
Ring number 4.
I'm only taking one bite on this one.
Yeah, I'm with you on that. Oh.
No.
Oh no. Oh
No.
wow. That one gets all up in there. That one's mad.
My face is getting sweaty and I don't get
She's
it.
getting
Do
red.
this. Oh no, wait, hold on.
No, don't tell me.
All right, here. You go ahead and place that in. I'll get the screws. Oh god. Call the fire department. You got the screws.
Fire
That look
department.
good? Yeah, good. It's fine. Doesn't look like it's perfectly aligned.
I don't want this anymore.
No!
I'm breaking out the tortillas.
Wait, it's
Where'd you get
cheating.
tortillas? And why tortillas? Does that help?
In my mind, it would help. Ugh.
Everything's going in. Oh my god.
It looks like there's some lined up with the thing.
Here, you want to try? I'm like having a hard time thinking.
Is this burning
Okay, good.
or not?
Her nose.
It's
Starting to drip.
mad because this isn't working.
Right?
Getting mad.
Is it actually a problem with the screw? Or is it us?
We might not finish this build, just FYI.
You might not finish it. Because you have a lower tolerance than me.
No.
Here, you're the screwdriver. I'm the screwdriver. I'm going to have to take charge here. Got one. I'm just trying to meditate.
You can't meditate while you're this is
Meditate.
Fabian.
Fabian.
I could care less.
Good
I think
face.
we're done.
What's next? GPU? No.
Power supply.
Oh,
Oh wait, before we pass that through, we got 8 away.
Oh no.
5?
Almost to 1 million.
Ooh.
woo!
Okay, cooperate here.
Somebody call an ambulance.
Okay.
All of them. Oh, we didn't even put the bracket on.
Oh no.
Wait, hold on, dude, hold on.
Mad.
What? Yours are 5?
Who has the higher spice tolerance now?
Yeah, alright, hey, you do the hard job, I'll do the easy job, and we'll see if that affects things.
Alright.
Big talker over here.
It's not working because it's not aligned, Kyle. Is it upside down?
I don't know, misalignment, you tell me.
But then now, dude, this is misaligned. What the hell is happening here? What is happening here? Oh my god, I don't know what's happening here. Yeah, I think that's better.
This is the most painful power supply installation ever.
We're clearly not thinking
Do
straight
it.
right now.
Someone told me that the power supply would be the hardest thing we've installed today.
Just the power supply.
I'd punch him in the face.
Alright. My nose is dripping.
Is that all 4?
Yeah. Come on, you stupid mofo.
I think this is the only build where you've called a power supply a mofo. Okay, that looks very good.
Oh wait,
We'll probably eat
Ooh.
wing number
The
7 right
bomb.
now. Or 6, wing number 6.
but the last one was really hot.
I know. But we gotta commit. Alright, ready?
1,
Race to the finish.
2, 3.
Go.
Ah,
Oh.
lean down. Sorry, I got you on the desk.
Good job. Why am I lifting it off my fingers?
My god.
Come on!
Mind over matter, mind
What?
over matter. Don't be yelling!
I'm just trying to install
My ears.
24-pin
Everything is a mess now.
Come on! What's happening?
I think we might get in a fight after this.
Shut up! I hate you! Okay. That's one stupid cable. I can't really rely on you to film me, right? 'Cause-
No,
Alright.
cannot. Do we take us to water?
I'm only gonna take one when you do.
Oh, that's cheating.
Man.
Oh, bad idea. Oh my gosh.
Why'd you do that?
It burns so bad.
Is this
The bomb.
breathing heavily?
And you
Just
inside your stomach.
hyperventilation. Oh god. This is gonna be the worst part of the whole build. Is the 8-pin EPS.
Oh my
Right here
god.
in the corner. There's no way. Push it through, you piece of... You've gotta be... It's gotta... U-turn.
What the hell is
Chocolate? Is there some secret behind chocolate and... The only good thing is that it's chocolate, but I love this cooler, but it is so big. It's in the way. I should have pre-wired this.
I think I might throw up.
Make sure you get it on camera.
Because he's eating too much.
Right.
I think we should just move on.
I'm not gonna give up.
I am.
Go flashlight.
Flashlight? Where's the flashlight?
Anywhere. Your phone. Anything. Come behind me. Give me light. Give me light now. Right there. Right there. Oh. Got it. I got it. I got it. The 500DX has front panel USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type C, so we have to plug in that front panel.
He's
Oh,
talking
really?
so
You know what you could
fast.
do? SATA. SATA goes to SATA. Oh, front panel connectors don't fail me now. RGB, digital.
He's panicking already.
digital header. We don't even need you. Don't make this difficult. You plug in right. SATA, plugged in.
No, I don't
The
want
worst
that.
parts of building
I'm too
wiring
I hated it
PCs.
to you.
Oh, you're in my way! We need to plug one of these in.
That's for the graphics card.
Yeah. So we just need one or both. Do we need one or both?
We need thank you.
There's the other one. Do you want me to do the GPU?
For the wings.
No!
This is the last stab. Hold
I
on.
don't want to do the last
You
down!
gotta do the last step, honey.
Oh, I'm not doing more.
You gotta do it.
I'm not doing it. I take back what I said. You're stronger than me. I will take it all back.
Ooh!
Yes.
It's like Carolina
You
Reaper.
have it.
100
You always put a little extra.
That's 2 million.
million.
Stab, wait.
I'm really bad at
Have that.
pronouncing
Wait, I don't
words.
want an extra dab. Oh, that's a big dab.
I'm gonna divide it.
No, I don't want that. I do it myself. You do your own dab.
All right.
He's
shaking.
shaking.
Cheers to you at home. Cheers. Bottoms up.
I'm shaking. Look at this look.
Eat it.
Oh God.
Oh, dear Lord, that's hot.
Are you faking those noises?
No.
Are those real noises?
No, it's not. Hit the other back of the throat.
It's the first time I heard her like this voice. She always have this voice into the good. She's possessed by a demon.
Bottoms up.
I'm shaking. Oh, dear.
Oh God.
Oh, dear Lord, that's hot.
Are you faking those noises?
No.
Oh God.
Oh, dear Lord, that's hot.
Oh God.
Oh, dear Lord, that's hot. Dear Lord, that's hot.
Oh God.
Oh, dear Lord, that's hot.
Are you faking those noises?
No.
Are those real noises?
That was it. Hit the other back of the throat.
It's so funny how it's like it shifts back through.
Feel her pain.
Which one is it? This one? This
So we're gonna do these first.
She's like
Faking
very
those noises.
drunk.
Oh God.
Oh, dear Lord, that's hot.
Are you faking those noises?
No.
Are those real noises?
That was it. Hit the other back.
I've never heard you make this sound before.
Nope, I can't do that
All right.
first.
All right.
I gotta do this
That was Corona.
one. This one?
So we're gonna do these first. See you on the other side.
Oh, that is really hot. That's really hot. Oh, that's really hot. These ones?
The second two.
The second, these ones.
Second
I think this is the
Oh
exorcist
my
part.
god, that's really hot. Oh,
The
it's
second.
really hot. That is really hot.
There's a demon
that's
inside
really
her.
hot.
The second two.
The second, these
It's
ones.
really hot.
Oh my god, that's really hot. Oh boy. Oh, I'm gonna have a stomach ache.
GPU. Where is it?
There's too many food.
We got an MSI RTX 2080 Super Gaming Trio.
Oh, the room is spinning right now.
Okay, just let me go here. Oh my.
The room is spinning. She's dizzy already.
Because she was like eating too much.
Move out of the way.
There was too
How many
Back
tortillas?
though.
tortillas.
Actually, the burn went away pretty quickly on that one.
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna bump this
I'm
up.
literally shaking right now.
Okay. Please.
What?
You forgot the fans.
Oh,
Oh,
3 case fans that need to get plugged in. It's okay. It's
gotta
okay.
be
It'll be quick.
Kyle.
It'll be quick. It'll be quick. We got 1 here. 1 down. 2 down. Please. Got it. All right. There she blows. Okay, it's done.
We did it!
We did it.
How?
Challenge complete.
We did it! We're not gonna save this boots. Or are we?
Here's a moment of truth. Can Wifey Sauce and I build a functional PC while practically unconscious on spicy wings?
I wanna do it.
Okay, count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Hey!
Yay! It's working!
ARGB on that case. Looking mighty fine. I really love what they did here on the strips.
Actually, that looks nice.
Inside looks good too. Now I want to take this off. Come on, give us a sign, buddy. It's still booting. Still booting. Nothing yet. All right. Take this guy off. Oh yeah, it looks nice. We did good, honey. We did really good. Hey!
Yes.
Yes! We did it!
Yeah!
After all of that cuffing.
So much pain. Physical, mental, and emotional pain. Being working for 2 hours.
After all of that tortillas.
Thanks for the purchase.
She looks so
It's a really
weak
nice case,
already.
actually. I enjoyed building it despite
She's
everything
like
else
drunk.
happening royally, and it seems
know.
like there is a ton of air going through it. It's fairly quiet, too, for having the side panel off. But thank you guys so much for watching. Toss a like on this video. Get subscribed for more tech content on the way. And we'll see y'all in the next video.
Yes.
So guys, that was it. It's really funny to watch Kyle and Wifey Sauce doing...
Eve Online
Oh
is a
gosh,
vast
right.
universe.
I didn't tell you to talk!
Eve Online, boys.
Okay, so that was it. Sorry for that, Eve Online. It was fun. If maybe in the future my channel will grow, we'll build a PC. Let's do that. Let's do something like that.
I'm not expert in building PCs.
Man, no, you just help, but you also have to eat those. I remember the time we tried to eat the
samyang.
samyang.
And it was just like one like noodle. And I ate it. It was so hot.
She couldn't stand it. She was what?
I need water. Water.
Wifey Sauce eating spicy things. So that was it, guys. Thank you all for watching, and I really enjoyed watching them suffer. Eating every time they lose their minds, their sanity, they panic. But they just try to be calm in situations where it's chaotic already. So guys, that was it. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, and set it to all notifications. Like, share, and comment down below. Thank you all, and bye bye.
Bye.